Hello and welcome to the Easy Make Web Builder training. In this training, I'm going to walk you through 10 of the steps that you need to take in order to build a website. We're going to start with step number one. This is going to be a very, very brief video. My entire job here is to provide you with the resources that you need so that you can build a website for yourself. So the first thing you want to do is, if you haven't done it already, you want to go over to easymakewebbuilder.com/, and you want to put in there special offer. And when you come to special offer, it's going to bring you to this page that you are currently seeing. And it says no more payments for 3 years. Next payment not until January 1st, 2028. This is a phenomenal deal for anyone who is looking to build a website or get a website and you're working with a limited budget. So to get started, what you need to do is choose your plan option. So right here, you see a blue button that says sign up or get started. You're going to select that. And once you select that button, it is going to bring you to the next screen where it's going to show you the special offers from Easy Make Web Builder. You have two plans you can choose from. One is the do-it-yourself plan, which I highly recommend that you do because I'm going to show you how to build a website. So it's $159 for the next 3 years. The other plan is we will build a web page for you, and that plan is $159 with a $170 setup fee because we're going to build the page for you. But then you make no more payments until January 1, 2028. So then you're going to choose your plan option. So I'm going to click on the build it yourself option, and I'm going to click on the green button that says order now. I'm going to select this. Then once you select it, you have two things you need to do. You need to either use an existing domain, and then you're going to update the name servers, and I'm going to walk you through how to update your name servers. And then the other one is where you will register a new domain name. Now, I highly encourage you to purchase your domain name directly from us because it makes the hosting or it makes the propagation easier for you to build your website so you don't have to go through so many steps. So once you've chosen your domain name, so let's say I'm going to purchase a new domain name. So I'm going to call this one Darrow Web Center, and it's going to be a .com domain name. I'm going to check for the availability of it. Once I check the availability, I'm going to hit continue. Now, the domain name, if you purchase it directly from us, your cost is going to be $14.95 annually. But you have to have a domain name in order to start building your website. You're simply going to hit continue. Then once you continue, you're going to come to the screen and you're going to hit continue again. You're going to see your order summary. You're going to select continue, and then you will go through the process of building your website. Now you see that the cost went from 159 to 173 because you had to add in the domain name. So you need to be aware of that from the beginning. So this is going to be your cost here. Once you've done that, you want to check out, and then you're going to be in a process of being able to create the domain name. But let's go back for a minute because what I want to do is show you what will happen if you say I'm going to use my own domain name or an existing domain name. So it's going to take us through the same process. This time I'm going to put in here an existing domain name that I have. We're going to use it. It's going to check for the availability of it to see if that is available. Now, because that domain name is available and I've already owned it, you see the cost is only going to be $159 because you own the domain name. You're simply going to hit continue, and you will go through the process again. You will go through the process of putting in all of your credentials. Let me delete one of these out of here so it doesn't confuse you. Okay, you're going to go through, and what you're going to do is you're going to put in all your personal information, your first name, your last name, your email address, phone number, your company name if you have one, your billing address, all of that. Then you'll create a username and a password. Once you do that, you're going to hit checkout. You're going to hit the checkout button where it says complete order, and then you can begin the process of creating your website. So this has been the first step in the 10-step strategy for you being able to build and create your own website using the Easy Make Web Builder platform and taking advantage of that $159 offer where you don't have to make any more payments until January 1, 2028. See you in the next video.